Read the text aloud to the children while they listen and read it silently along with you. I'm going to read it out for you. Save trees. Allah has given us many gifts. Trees are one of them. Trees give out oxygen and make the earth clean and cool. Many animals depend on trees for food and shelter. Birds make their nests in trees. Many products such as paper, gum, and rubber are obtained from trees. Trees of fruits provide us different fruits like mango, guava, banana, peach, orange, and many more. Trees also reduce pollution. So, friends, save trees. We should not cut trees. We should encourage others to plant more trees. Sooner we will understand it is better for us.